I'm Ronnie Stewart, USMCA Certified Coach. My father got me started riding at age 5, and the rest is pretty much history from there. 26 years later, still riding and racing, sharing the knowledge that I've acquired. I got into coaching at 17 years old, and my passion quickly grew to help others become more educated and skilled riders. My teaching style is definitely technique before speed with emphasis on safety. Mentors growing up were Ty Wallace, Damian Plotz, and I've had the opportunity to work with greats such as Ronnie Tishner, Billy Laninovich, Sebastian Tortelli. I know what it's like to be coached well, and I use that as motivation to leave an everlasting impression on my students. To find myself and other USMCA certified coaches, visit motorcyclecoaching.org.